Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, I'm back again with another video, my people. My people, you know, so when I come out, I come with the real news, Real news around here. So guess what I want to do? I want to press like, I want to share, I want to subscribe, and I want to press the notification bell and click all. All right? Tell a friend to tell a friend about Atafa the Press. I'm back again with another video. Wagwan, my people. I hope you guys doing good and I hope you guys doing great. So, you know, so I have to big up my good up subscribers them, So first, I want to big up at Tash62, and this is what she said. She said, "Hi, I subscribe to your channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, Tash. Also, I want to big up at Keith Dear 2206, and this is what he said. He said, "Hi, subscriber. Bless up yourself." I think he meant, "Hi, I subscribe." The next person I want to big up is Velma Hall 2733, and this is what she said. She said, "I subscribe." Big up a nice clean self, Velma, and bless up to everybody that has been subscribing to my channel. I am grateful. All right, my people, no long talking. I'm gonna get right into it. So I wanna hear this. So Pumpkin commented, and she said, "I had my baby Sunday morning and the two nurses that work that day treat me so bad. I cried and another nurse came over and apologized to me and said I threw them stress. But don't pay them no. My nurse Campbell and Nurse Wilson told me that them don't care if my baby die or who want to come take the afterbirth out of me. Jesus Christ, I started cry out, call on God. I'm not a Christian person. They treat us, the patients, really bad. I can't wait for the PNP to win and clean up the hospital system." So I want to hear what she said, my people. I don't know if you guys watched the last two videos. I was talking about Christopher Tufton and how we invest mostly in the private sector and not in the public sector. So this person commented, and this caught my eye. And I do believe this person. So this is why I'm sharing it with you guys. Something like this. Nurse come a work for work. Patient come in because patient is sick. And una go talk this type of way. Una go, because una stress. If una stress, una stay on the yard. Nurses, doctors, if una stress, una turn on the yard. When you no stress, when you leave on a stressness and a stressfulness outside the hospital door before you enter, and stop coming at the hospital and take out on a problem on the patient them, because the patient them is in the hospital because they are not well. When you hear what me I say, when you hear what this person say, when you hear what this person say a while ago. This is not right. And then again, she said another nurse come and apologize to her. Big up to that nurse that come and apologize to her. Whosoever watch this, they must know themselves. If the nurse them watch this, they must know themselves. You can't do things like that. And as I said to you before, is because the top of the stream is dirty. That's why the bottom of the stream dirty. And the top of the stream have a don't care attitude. That's why the bottom of the stream have the same. They have a don't care attitude. And when nurses come to work, them supposed to work to them best of their ability. Them no need to take out them problem upon the patient. Them I say, me can't bother with them people here, Them are going like say first time them a feel pain. You have to stop them dirtiness there. You have to stop it. If you guys is not passionate about your job, you left it. You need to stop treat the patient them in Jamaica like that. It is not right, because the reason why the patient them is there is because they are not well. And Christopher Tufton, you know enough of the things them we are going. When you have your meeting them with your head nurse or your CEO or whoever, you need to put these things across to them. And as me say, sometimes I wonder if they don't have a ward manager or somebody in charge on the floor. Because then just, I tell you, enough of the time the nurse them just stand up there and look pretty and idle. That's all they do, a waste time. And if you ask them, how long is the doctor going to take? Or why this, why that, them get vexed. They know why if you ask them no question, because them attitude stink. Me people, me I talk to me Jamaican nurses them and Jamaican doctor. Uno fi be more nice to the patients. If uno stress, uno stay on a yard. Uno don't go to work that day if uno stress. If uno have problem, turn on a yard. Uno cannot go to work and take out the problem for people. That is not right. And if the job is not for you, uno do not take it. If you guys are not passionate about your duty, uno do not take that the job there. Because that the job they not fit on at all. All uno want to do is stand up and look pretty. No. Prettiness not go better nobody. You understand? So me did just want to show uno this because one of my subscribers them comment, as you can see in the comment section, and I did just want to bring this across and address it. It is wrong. I'm really sorry to Pumpkin like that really happened to you. Really sorry about that because it is not right. Well, my people, wanna tell me want to put an opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark and opposition spokesman on commerce Dr. Andre Horton continue to spar over prevalence of poverty in the country. Dr. Clark says the record of the JLP government management of the economy proves that they are superior towards compared to the PNP. But according to Dr. Horton, the growing number of those in the category working poor under this JLP administration is basis enough for the PNP to be given the chance to prove its credentials. So my people, when you hear Dr. Nigel Clark, when Brighton out of order, but them are superior over PNP, when you hear all them something here? When you hear all them something here? Like, really, seriously right now, Dr. Nigel Clark, seriously. Right now, not even say the country. Yeah? Me not even want to use the word poor. But, me have to use it because through them, write it and say working poor. Listen, last year alone, Andrew Holness collect 80 billion of taxpayers' money. That can more than help the people them. Things can put in place to help the people them. So when you come out, Nigel Clark, and I come talk about una superior compared to PNP, una is no superior. That's all una come out. All una come out and do a big up on yourself. That's all una do when una not doing well. The country is not doing well. Una not help the people of Jamaica. Una not help we. Because since the COVID start, a lot of us is not working. A whole heap of Jamaican now work. Whole heap of Jamaican don't have a job. Whole heap of people have them own business and feel lock it down through COVID. And uno help? Uno give no money towards that? All uno do. Remember, it was during COVID time where whole heap of people sick and are dead off. And all uno do. I tax people. I tell people say if they don't wear mask, yeah, charge them all 100,000, 200,000, lock up the people, them pure foolishness uno do. And then una can talk about una superior over where, over who. How can una can't get that the title there because una not doing good, una fail the country. So una not doing well in the country. So how una come now and talk about superior? Which part of superior? And stop big up on yourself, man, because una not do good. You and Andrew Holness, your Prime Minister, is not doing well, Nigel Clark, and uno know that. And for uno, as a minister, sit down and allow Andrew Holness to do what is like, and uno know him a run down the country, and uno not try to protect the Jamaican people. Uno figure prison too. The whole uno figure prison. The whole uno figure prison. This is not right, my people. My people, this is not right. And it's time for somebody else to take over. Because if the people they now overthrow Andrew Holness, the minister they now work together and overthrow Andrew Holness, and then see what Andrew Holness is doing is wrong, obviously, it is right for Mark Golden to take over. It is right. So, I don't want no die-hearted come out and talk about this and that, and I say, oh, Andrew Holness now do good. I don't know that. A whole heap of die-hearted and attack behind closed door. You get me? Say, you don't like what the Prime Minister is doing. So come on, man. So stop big up on yourself, because that's all you do. Walk and big up on yourself. My people, wanna tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section for me people. Alright? Hear this.
US every month. When you want me start talk and expose them. When you want me start talk and expose them. I go and start Carlos. You Jamaica Carlos. When the labor right them call you. So them gonna give you the 10,000 US every month. When you want me start talk and expose them. When you want me start talk and expose them. I go and start talk and expose every ugly evil in this country.
Yes, Andre, expose them.
And when you done, you go like you know burn out. Not found the blogger collect labor right money on that table. Not found the blogger get silent and stop because no get pay off. Well, me not get no 10,000 US from Jamaica Labour Party.
Wanna hear that, me people?
And enough of them bloggers here. We used to burn out labor right and burn out government. Una say them start change. Una say them get busy now and drive taxi and can't do live again. Because enough of them get the 10,000 at 10,000. You don't want them know, you don't want to know how much them offer me? Go ask me farmer producer how much them offer me. To change my program and I never take a sellout. Jamaica Carlos, how much you sell out for? Can you want fame and fortune? Are ready for talk? Jamaica Carlos, tell Jamaica how much them sell out for. Remember you call me and tell me say them call you, it's not me to tell you. It's you call me and tell me Jamaica Carlos say the labor right them call you. And them offer you 10,000 US dollar every month. I never me talk to Jamaica Carlos, and you call my phone, and yes, I have the recording, Jamaica Carlos. I did record it because I know you was never honest. I have the recording where you take about bro, and then you go to Donkey Lady song. Jamaica Carlos use a epitome of disgrace and hypocrisy. Dr. Love get called to, and Dr. Love never take the money. Father Epic get called, and Father Epic not take the money. Judas them! Judas them! Judas! Judas them! Judas! 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 Judas to the big. Judas! Take 10,000 US every month. Think we don't know? Think we don't know Jamaica call us? Tell them what Florida and Miami are call you and give the money. Tell them we don't have no moral rectitude and no moral fiber for join this fight. You can hold on and sell out. Judas! So when currency and money, Morris never call me Judas. And Jamaica call us a one of them. Jamaica Carlos, you can't, a long time I never like you, you know. Why you think when you come on my program, I take you off? Because you is nothing but a filth. Nothing but a filth and garbage. Dr. Love never take the money, and Father Epic don't take the money. Other people don't take the money. My viewers talk your mind, don't take no money. Me go tell you who don't take the money and who take money. Cause enough of them start change up. Enough of them start change up. Mind my blood pressure good. You know, see me just take my medication then. At what time now? Oh, me have a little bit more time. Yes, me have a little bit more time. Take 10,000 US that I never me talking, me have your pan tape. I tape your Jamaica Carlos because I never trust you. And the same boy where you interview, yes, the same one. Say, Andre, make we use it, plan them and get rid of them. Make we use it and expose them. We know some never take the money either. We know some never take the money. Me can't tell you, say, I believe, based on how Jamaica call us and move now, I would be surprised if when he might take the money. But, Jamaica call us, you see you, call me back and you see, man, I'm going to expose you to the ugliest truth, but Dre. You know, so the man come from Miami and this and that and talk about 10,000 years. But me never did this, you know. Me say, what the man name, me can't give you the man name, because you know you did sign up to it. You sign up to it. And when I don't know what I talk about, so the same person where you are, they pan live and interview, the plan fix cancel you too. You never know. But because the whole on now in a nest and things say, Carlos, nobody don't like watching you, because when you talk, we don't. Nothing name good content. And here's your blog, I'm going to say that. Pay garbage, your blog. Pay garbage.
So my subscribers and my good up viewers, hey, my people wanna hear what go on from what's that going on, my people. Hey, a true Andrea talk, enough of them blogger there. Sell out. Yo, that's why me have to big up Talking Mind TV straight. Cause when me say Papa na sell out, no time, nowhere. Big up yourself, Talking Mind TV. Big up yourself, brother. Up. My people, mighty God, me I telling you, you know, my people. Enough of them bloggers there, you know, get sell out, you know, between me and only, you know. Enough of them get sell out. And I go and like them love the country. You see money? That's why me telling them, man, me have to big up Talking Mind TV and big up all of the other blogger them. When I take no sell out around here, when not sell out we country, up. Andre, big up yourself, Jenna. I'm glad to see you right there, so big up yourself and keep strong, love and respect. Some people, wanna put on honest opinion in the comment section. Tell me what you think, my people. This is all in our hand now. Tell me what you think, alright? And big up on a nice clean self. And make sure so you like up the video, you know. Share out the video, you know. And make sure so you subscribe to my channel. Alright? Subscribe. What I say you to do? I say you to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell on for me there, you know. So when the at video them drop, you know, on the first forget it. Yes, my people, right there, so. Big up on a nice clean self again, and big up to all my new subscribers and all my new viewers, and also to my old subscribers them and my old viewers them. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.